The Andromeda Strain from 1971 features a team of scientists who race against time to contain a deadly extraterrestrial microorganism. This threat looms large, with the potential to wipe out humanity. In the Andromeda Strain from 1971, the story unfolds as a pulse-pounding thriller. Here, a dedicated team of scientists mobilizes to confront an unprecedented threat to humanity. When a military satellite crashes in a remote town, it unleashes a deadly extraterrestrial microorganism upon the Earth, setting the stage for a desperate battle for survival. As the microorganism, dubbed the Andromeda Strain, rapidly spreads and threatens to wipe out all life on the planet, a team of top scientists is assembled to contain and study the organism. Racing against time, the scientists must unlock the secrets of the Andromeda Strain before it's too late. Through its tense atmosphere, gripping narrative, and thought-provoking exploration of scientific ethics and human ingenuity, the Andromeda Strain captivates audiences with its portrayal of a high-stakes battle against an unseen and unpredictable foe.